Hello class. I want to start today with an acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge and pay respects to the Mi-Wanina people as the traditional and original landowners, past and present, and to the Tasmanian Aboriginal community. Over the past few weeks, we've been learning all about the history and culture of our local Aboriginals. We have learnt their traditional way of life and how their beliefs and values are underpinned by a deep connection to land and country. We've explored the Mersey Bluff Aboriginal rock carvings on our field trip and considered how these artworks are different to what we make today and why these artefacts and many others are important to our history. Now it's time for you to show me what you've learnt about over the unit. This assessment gives you the opportunity to show me how much you know and understand and what you can do. It is important for you to have evidence of your learning to keep and share with your family, and it also helps me plan for your future learning in a way that suits you best. So to start, I want us to reflect on what we've learnt over the past few weeks. Go over your journals, revisit our displays and think back to our field trips. I want you to really think about the special Aboriginal places we've learnt about. Then, in pairs, I want you to write down a few ideas that come to mind when answering this question. Why is it important that we preserve our local Aboriginal history? Then in your pairs, I want you to come up with a way to preserve a significant Aboriginal site. Look over your work and find something we've learned about that interested you, or you can pick something new to research. Just check with me first. It can be anything. Tell me why it needs protecting and tell me how you would do it. Reflecting on the work you've done over the unit will help you to remember the important information to include in your assignment. It's a very good skill to have, and I will be looking at this when I'm observing you. After you've reflected on your learning, you can start on your assignment. You need to explain what you've chosen. Tell me everything you know about it. Why it is important that we preserve it. How you're going to preserve it. Be creative here. And who your intended idea is for. Is it for you, a certain group of people, or the whole community? Don't forget to tell me why. You can present your assignment in any way you think will best suit your audience. You can make a how-to video, a TV ad, build a prototype or model or poster, or you can make a speech or write a letter to an authority like the council or a school to promote your idea. It's up to you. It's important to remember the acknowledgement of country that we learnt about, and like the one at the beginning of this video. You need to include this in your assignment in respect for the tribes that you'll be talking about for your sacred site, and even the country you're in when making your assignment. I will be assessing how well you understand the special connection Aboriginals have to country and place. So tell me everything you know about it and tell me why it's important. After today, you'll have the next 2 Thursday afternoons of class time to work on your assignment, and the following Thursday, which is the 20th of June, we'll be sharing them with the class. This is also when they are due. NAIDOC week starts on the 8th of July. There's a celebration market in the local hall, which would be the perfect opportunity for you to get your ideas across to the public and get your family and friends to come and see what we've been working on. Good luck.